Hello, my name is Eric from North Networking, and today I am going to show you how to get started with the Atavism Cloud. Okay, so let's start with going into your A panel. When you have logged in, you can click on this menu option that says Atavism Cloud. And here you will have to log in with our North Networking account. If you do not have an account already, you can create one by going to this link. I will log in with my account now. Right now, the Atavism A-panel account and the North Networking account are linked together. So now you will be able to see your current cloud servers here, and you can stop and restart the server with these buttons. But we will go more into how you can control the server in another video. So for the first time, you will not have anything here, so you have to click on the Buy Server VPS button right here. So we select our desired plan. These are the United States region, and these are the European Union region. I will just go for the European right now. And then Atavism will automatically select your licensor. If you have multiple licenses, you will have to select the correct one. You will then select the correct Atavism server version you will be using. 10.5.0 is the newest one. And the installation type is if you want to use the demo, which I highly recommend, or you can use the core. The core is essentially just the bare metal system, so it comes with no examples, nothing. You have to set up everything. I will go for demo with this one. And the host name is what you want to call your server. So for this, I will call this something like that. Then we click the buy button. You will have to log in if you're not already logged in. And this will take you to the invoice. You will then have to pay the invoice using either PayPal or Stripe. So once you have paid the invoice for the cloud server, you will receive an email with the server IP address and the SSH root password. The email used to contain the Atavism information such as the database password and all that other stuff, but this is no longer the case. To get this information, you will now have to get it from the dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard overview here. Then we click on Atavism Cloud Server. We click on our newly ordered Atavism server. And here you can see we have the host name, our server IP address, and you can also toggle here to see the root password. But what we want to do now is click this more button, find the login details, and here you get all the information you need. So here you have the Atavism email, license, version, edition, username, and the MySQL password. This one is what we really need now. So once you have all that ready, we can open the Atavism editor. To get this ready, and as you can see, I'm starting blank. I am also assuming that you already have imported Atavism to Unity, so all that is ready. So we click this plus button, and let's just name our profile. You have to find your project folder. this. And we have to choose a default image. I'm just going to use something random for now. And then we scroll down to the database section right here. So then we go back and we copy our server IP address. We paste that in here. The port is the default MySQL, so it's 3306. And we need the password for MySQL. Paste that in there. And the user is always Atavism. Then we click Fill Others and Test Connection. And as you can see, success connection. Now we can save. Double click to open. And now we can check out a mob, for example. There you can see all the demo content. So right now we have to go back and copy the IP address once more. And then we have to go into Unity. And you have to find the login scene. An easy way to find it is just go to File, Build Settings, and just double click the first login scene here. This will take you to the scenes folder, and as you can see the login right here. So you double click to open, go to the Atavism Core prefab object, and at the master server field we paste in our IP address. Now remember to save the scene. Let's log in, check if everything's working. We have to create an account, so I'm just gonna create something like test. And click create, and the account has been created. So let's log in. And let's just create our character and enter the world. And here we go. Inside our newly created Atavism Cloud Server.